Alright, so if your laptop feels slow, laggy, or takes forever to open apps, and you don't want to install any extra software, you're in the right place. In 2026, you can actually speed up your laptop using built-in settings only, no downloads needed. So let's go step by step and fix it. First, restart your laptop. This clears background processes and gives your system a fresh start. Now close apps running in the background. Too many open programs can slow everything down. Next, go to Startup Apps and disable the ones you don't need. This makes your laptop boot faster. Now clear temporary files using built-in storage settings. These files build up over time and slow your system. Remove apps you don't use anymore. Less software means more speed. Turn off animations and visual effects. It won't change how your laptop works, but it will make it feel faster. Make sure your storage isn't full. If your drive is overloaded, your laptop will slow down automatically. Check for system updates. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Switch your power mode to high performance. This gives your laptop more power instead of saving energy. Finally, keep your desktop clean. Too many files and icons can slightly slow down your system, so yeah, that's how to speed up your laptop without any software in 2026. Just simple built-in tweaks, and your device will feel much smoother.